Hi guys, here is how you can transcribe text from any YouTube videos for free. Let me quickly open the browser and this is our YouTube channel. Let's try to take out the text from this video. By the way, it works with any videos. Let me pause it, scroll down and click on more. So at the bottom, you can find Show Transcript. This is available in any video. Click on it. And here is the transcript of the video. Now let me copy this all. Press Ctrl+C and I will paste it to the notepad. Ctrl+V. So here is all the transcript. Now you may not want the timestamp. To remove it, we will use ChatGPT. Let me copy this all and open ChatGPT. Now let's give a prompt. You can say anything, but let's try with this. Remove timestamp, make it a paragraph, make spelling corrections, and add punctuations. Do not change sentences, and paste the content. So ChatGPT will write it as a paragraph. There still might be a few mistakes, so please review the text. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.